Last but not least, the pepper.
Here comes trouble.
Remember, season.
Got funny pepper, people. Very hot and spicy.
Yeah, but it's a lot of meat, so we can use that much.
I'm afraid of pepper.
Me too.
I'm not putting all of this.
I mind little bit of pepper, but I don't like whole heap. They burn up my mouth. I like
And pepper sauce too.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to cut out the seed there.
Are you sure you take out the seed? The seed and make it worse.
What kind of season are you?
So guys, just cut up the potatoes, Irish potatoes. Some of them come closer now. We're going to show them all the seasoning going in. So first we're putting in chicken seasoning.
I got two of them.
One. Pepper did that on my finger. Whee!
Look at it, yeah.
One. We can't eat pepper like that.
Yes. Season.
One. Then meat seasoning. And you're putting one chicken seasoning too, no? But I want the chicken, guys.
But at home meat season.
No, this is meat.
A chicken.
Want it well juicy.
Chicken on me.
Now we're gonna do 2 curry pack.
I'm going to burn it.
And it's a
This
little
can make it yellow.
Think it's good.
Not 3 of them.
What's that in it?
Not yet.
Well, guys, no more.
Black pepper. Where can I look now? So then we need salt, of course. Okay.
Talk away in a pot now.
So guys, we have carrot, onion, garlic, scallion, all the seasonings. Now we stir properly. Meat seasoning.
Alright now. Guys. This is a pot now. Welcome.
I can need one more curry now.
Korea, come on. Too black.
But it's already black.
Yeah, not too black. Yes.
So I don't know wood fire black.
Yeah, wood fire different.
If I can cook it. That's a good place. That's not the plan.
And Sarah, how was your day so far?
It's good. So I'm still running from the camera. You can talk behind the camera as well.
Are you shy today?
Yeah, this looks like a curry pot now. You sure in there, mommy? Look at this. So I want to put the coconut. So time to leave it marinate for at least 30 minutes.
Like our rice is about to be finished. Chef Cook Andrew.
Yes, guys. See there? Shelly. Rice. I understand me. Rice. But you don't know how to cook meat or cooking, you know, say curry.
Guys,
The rice can pull a little bit from the fire.
Yeah, man.
so guys, I put up this now because of the wind.
Not too much of fire.
Guys, I'm going to river. I hold pot.
Don't drive,
So nobody now swim with Bala?
don't drive it too far.
Nobody now
Me bala.
Nobody now swim with Bala? Yeah, come back?
Little and little come up. Climb back little.
Oh God, let me see your foot.
Out on this type of food.
Oh God, mommy get hurt. Poor thing.
Yeah, come in there. Okay, what? This one.
Wait. Oh, you're on the papa over here. Now come. Jojo. Which part me for what good and better? Hmm? Which part better for going through? Yes, sir? Yes, sir?
Ooh, because they're rich.
I classify under the So guys, we're here in the river. My dad finally decides to join us in the water. Eh? Finally!
Finally you made it.
Finally I join in the water. This is the big lifesaver here. Say hi.
Alright.
Akeem, say hi. Mommy, say hi. So I want to catch them when they jump into the water now. These little kids are afraid of the current, but they're a big swimmer. They're used to the place.
Do that.
These little kids.
Big swimmer. Come here, big swimmer.
Pinky!
stirring the water, guys, while the meat is marinating. Pinky! Hi. Say something to the people.
My name is Pinky.
They already know your name, ma'am. Daddy, also say something to the people.
Bye.
Oh God, they must shame.
Hello.
They must shame.
Hello, people. Good evening. We have a God bless river. We are swimming and having a fine time
Yes.
in Jamaica.
Yes. No place no better than
Yeah.
Yard.
No better than.
Yard.
With all the crocodile and the alligator.
Nowhere no better than Yard. Nowhere no better than Yard. Nowhere no better than Pinky, don't draw me up, Pinky. Guys, the stream is very strong. The current is really strong, guys. So you see me hang on this thing. That was a big jump. You mash up now.
Yes, I'm going to mash up. You know what I'm eating my body.
Oh, okay. Okay. You can manage to carry it up back now?
Yo! Yo!
How about just something?
Yo!
Voila.
Let me show you.
Yeah, what?
Okay, better watch me now.
Look.
I'm here so nice, man.
Yes, Crystal now, the big chef. Away to the pot, hot to chew the curry. Yeah. Yes, Crystal. The chef, what do you call that in the pot now, Crystal?
Curry. We're burning the curry. Come and show them the curry burning.
Hello guys, look at it. The curry in the pot there, man. Yes.
Burning, burning. So just put a light on them. You put curry in there now.
Yes, guys, she's burning the curry. You know what's coming up next? Be a surprise. Mixed chicken. Yes. And catch her now. Miss Tushy. Yeah. See her there. That's it. Wow. A big chef. Yes, Crystal. She's doing her thing there. And the sweetest thing. Look at the guys and watch the chef there. Look at the guys looking at the beautiful chef.
Yes, man, she's doing well.
Yes. She's putting the meat in the pots, guys. Look at it. Beautiful. Look at it.
So much meat.
learning to use the wood fire. Yeah. So you know some more Jamaican girl decide say all them cannot cook because they cannot use wood fire, you know. But she's teaching a lot of Jamaican girls that no matter where you're coming from, just remember where you're going. Because what? Wood fire is the best. So you get an assistant there, this guy pushing the wood in the fire.
No,
My understanding.
sticks.
They're pushing the stick in the but Jamaican people, you know, later they said wood. Yeah, because you have log wood, you have all type of wood gonna fire. For as long as a fire, any wood. But we just say stick. Yeah. So Krista, what and what in the pot there?
Chicken, bark chicken, mixed parts, seasoning, onion, scallion, paprika, sweet pepper, then call it out here.
Yeah.
Little potato, carrots, every little thing. It's not gonna fry up with so much meat, might as well just throw the water.
She get confused. But she's doing it. She's doing it.
And then I can.
And then now take out.
So guys, the vegan option is ready to go. So this is my dad. Alright.
Look at the auction, guys. Can I see the curry meat? Nothing white. Fully yellow. And this guy is here putting back stick. Yeah, stick.
Yeah, putting back the stick in the fire, not the hood.
Stick.
Yeah.
So I'm getting it right now, guys. Stick in the fire.
Irene.
And this is setting right here. So you're setting here, guys. Yeah. You know, it's a real bushman them. Yeah.
Irene, man, you on vacation. You in Jamaica. Hey, don't tell me about Jamaica. We both know we in Jamaica, right? Irene, man, you are right. I know you're there. Baram. This location is Baram. Baram location and school. School. It's cool. Video man, big up
Jamaica
yourself.
setting.
Man, chef, big up yourself. Put some of that in there now. Some of your prettiness in there now.
Yeah.
Yeah, chef.
Setting. Welcome to Portland 2, guys. Yeah, we call it Busso. That's what happening now, guys. Look at it. River Grande. I don't know Portland settings, man. Right now, we're still on Baram. Here we have Road River Grande. You know the Swift River. We have the man on the rafting. They're looking for a Busso. Although we don't know Busso. Yes, man, in Baram. Westmoreland, no? No other place for like Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, Baram.
Yeah, man.
Westmoreland, Baram.
River Grande with the swift water. Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, Baram.
We have what? We have Busso, lobster, crayfish, shrimps, all these things we have in Westmoreland in River Grande. Yes, rafting. All ladies in the water, you're rafting.
Yeah, that was the lifesaver.
Yeah. Look at the rafting. Yeah. We have 2 lifeguards. Yeah. Catch him. You have 2 lifeguards. Yeah, big up on yourself. One named Cheetah. And next one named? British. British. Alright. So welcome to this place. Oh, we'll enjoy it. Yeah. later these guys gonna have their massages. Yeah. And then bubble baths. Guys, look what's going on. Look at the bar. Guys, come and buy at the bar. Drink responsible. Yes. My mom. Good settings, guys. Good settings. I love this place. It's a wonderful place to be here. Yes, it's a good view. There is no other place to be but right here. Yeah, so nice. Soon come off the next 20 minutes.
Yeah, mom.
By the time you go back in the water, you might be
See that, mom? You see that you never need any water?
Yeah, me see. So guys, we learn a new style now. No need to add water to your curry chicken. So yeah, yeah, blaze. Woo!
Wow.
Milk, hold it, son.
Yeah, man. Turn down the stove, you know, man. In Jamaica, we turn down stove, you know.
Hey, man, that's about to, hey, guys, look at this, man. That's about to turn on wood fire.
Yeah, man.
And I turn the stove, you know, if you can't turn on the car, I want to get that to turn up.
You can't turn it down, you know.
That's not turn on the flame.
Eh?
Yeah. Put your money on tomorrow. Come, 50. I'm here to fire. Catch me now. Yes, me now.
Watch the candle.
1,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you mean wait?
Ah, boom, now.
Wait for what?
Come on, Papa. Hey, come on, do.
How was that? That not count.
My turn.
11.
Alright, watch out. That's good. Yeah, man.
Kevin, oh, you're hard. You're hard.
That one.
Yeah, your body never did too high.
Hey, so Krista, you're next.
What them will not get?
Get up.
What happened to you there? You're next.
Ready?
That's the most that. They got 20 cookies. How much down below?
To beat that is a competition. Who can do the most?
Got beat up the man.
But if you do like one going on the
Actually, not their way level. You need to go their way level.
Sorry, no boy. Sorry, Papa.
So 11 years old, I can see if him can beat her.
Oh, watch this. Ui.
1, 2, 3,
3.5.
4,
5.
4. I can't just beat you.
Oh.
You know?
Ah, you did.
Oh,
Yeah, but we should catch them.
This is well entertaining.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So warm up this.
yeah.
Yeah, I have to warm up. Yeah, you should start fly.
We have another basket.
Alright.
Stop them food.
So I have here fun.
You know what?
You think you're going to push up or not back?
No, man, you man exercise, I mean exercise. Come here, box. But we don't mean box one there.
That's all.
And when we come to the river, we enjoy ourselves. I mean, the cheetah.
Whoa.
That's it.
That's it, yeah.
That's it, guys. That's it.
Those money burn up.
All of it.
Right, the last little energy here. Ooh, the pot.
Yes, man, video now. Hey, yeah.
Finally, Poopsie.
Oh, so good idea that.
Sleeping Beauty over there.
Mash up like 66. And now I say 6. Double dose. Blank. Now we have all the command in my water now. Now
So we're ready to share the food now, guys.
Now we have all the new chef.
Finally, it's finished.
First thing first. Yo, I'll win food up communication.
Come.
People!
Come.
Come for the food, guys! Everybody!
You go see how fast I'm gonna come.
Come. Hello, come. Come line up.
Then come line up.
Yeah, come on. Come. All right, children, come.
And call Shirley.
Yeah, she forget. Yeah.
Now me alright, me not as wrong. We
All
just
right,
share
come on,
out
let's
for whoever share out.
She took on there first.
Most likely.
Yeah, on the line up, now line. All right, come on the line up. On the go tomorrow, go tomorrow.
I'm gonna take a plate and line up, guys.
Go. Wait. What is this? That's 2 plates.
One.
Wait, man. Look good. More now.
So we are sharing out the food now. Everybody get their plate.
No, one there. One there.
One. One plate. See?
Where is it?
One.
Line up. Look one in front of 2 big pinky.
They don't fight.
Jojo!
Oh. One plate. What's up, one plate? Yeah, what's up? Don't grab
Come, guys, now line up. Moving on to the plate.
Line up. Line up.
Okay, chef.
Yeah,
Come. We are doing video shooting now. We want to organize ourselves.
Park.
Organize yourself, please.
Park.
Line up.
Yo, line up my lines properly, no?
Park.
Things gonna line. Gonna line. Come.
Yeah, we do them for heights too.
Yes. Looking good. Guys, I want to watch the habit.
Active, line active.
All I want to is chef on the one. I'll make it active.
Yo, you could be that man, you know, man. That man in front of you. You think of that man. That man in front of you.
Yeah,
Hey, stay in front of you, brother.
him there. I don't seem to mind.
No, but line up too.
Number 1 ready to go.
it's looking good. Yeah.
Chef, outside, you know?
Big up your chef.
Yeah.
You seem to enjoy that
Second.
boom something too.
Yeah, it's Campari,
Yeah,
boom.
Then I wait on the veggie stew
white
also.
Campari, rum,
Everybody are taking part.
and water.
Campari and white rum.
White rum.
That's strong.
Yeah, when take a sip out of it. It's a little bit strong.
So I mash out Crystal.
Yeah, see me river down there.
Guys, you know what is this? This they call lychee. Hold it. Yes, you know what is that?
It's a plum. This is not the June plum.
Plum.
There's the sugar.
Green. They're not
Hey,
supposed to be
turn.
like this.
Excuse me? Hold it like this. Enjoy yourself. Your sister one now. Your sister the turn one.
Yeah, take it down, man. We are in China. You
like
take
it?
me, man. Yeah.
You don't have to take it green one, you know. If you know say you want the green one, when I pick a red one for you, you know.
Yeah.
I got more for you. Hang on to it. Why you tearing it off? The whole tree is for you.
Oh,
Hey.
cheese is bad.
Yeah, you got it up by your yard. Bring up it
I'm planted.
and plant it.
It must grow.
And then you go.
You sure?
Excuse me?
It will catch?
Sure. Wave on there.
But this not gonna catch a Germany.
This say Germany?
For sure, it could have
Let them plant
You
it.
Germany! Alles klar! Alles klar! You Germany?
Yes, but
Alles klar!
Alles klar, yeah.
Alles klar!
You can't say that, yeah.
Alles klar, yeah. Welcome to Jamaica.
Yeah,
It's
man.
good. It's
I
good, but
know.
you not give me no food yet. I want food. Can you cook your food? I want some. You mind?
Can give man some food here.
Yeah, but me not ready for it yet. Just make the children them enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
Can be active, you know. Me I gonna do one tune now. You need a tune.
Yeah.
Which tune?
Any tune. Get it selected now. Where with him then?
Mix it.
Want to read him.
Yeah, ready. Put it on my friend. Come bread. British.
Come boom.
No. Me don't want him come side of me. You know I want no clothes. A girl more side of me. Put it on him. Yeah, me don't want no man side of me. Yeah. Boom. Mix it. Cheater, man. Cheater. We were ready. And we not
Yeah,
gonna
man.
The Arriva with enough Germany. The Arriva we not gonna wait. Jamaica very irate. The Jamaica we not gonna wait. We the Jamaica with some Germany. River, are we ready? Rough. Put it on the rough. The rough.
Yes,
in the
put it
river.
up on the raft.
No pa me bang girl, no pa me bang girl, no pa me bang, no pa me. One job. No pa me bang girl, no pa me bang girl. All right, mix me see me now. No pa me bang girl, no pa me bang girl. No, one job now. Cheetah live in the country, me alone knows this fan. Cheetah live in the country, me alone knows this fan. I'm gonna buy a cigarette, you me have to walk for. One day me I come from over some corn. Hey chef, why you mix me so bad? Chef. Anyway, he's a chef. He's not a selector.
Exactly.
So,
He's a
yeah.
chef, yeah.
Yeah.
But, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for cheetah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Germany, are you ready for cheetah?
Yes.
Miami, are you ready for cheetah?
Yeah.
Okay, run out. River with it. Say me no want no one girl, because me one girl. Time to time that the cheetah very crucial. And me no want no two girl, me want few girl. Me want a girl just like a Miss Lou girl. Irie man.
Yeah, man.
Irie man, welcome. You're not going on the raft?
No.
No?
No.
Come over there.
Guys, the food is finally
That's right.
finished cooking. They already started eating.
Only.
Mommy, how you think? How you like it?
It is nice. I love it.
You come now. Come now.
Feel river, something cooking, Crystal and Chef Anjo.
Pinky, show us your food.
Yeah, happy I eat.
You like it, Pinky? Tastes good? Can cook still? Guys, I didn't even really taste the food yet. It's like, I don't know, I just got this random headache and dizziness and so. So I don't know if it's because I didn't drink enough water or eat anything today. Probably just eat some chips earlier. At what time now? Probably like after 4. So I don't know if it has something to do with that. But I just feel so bad that even just take a bite of Pinky's food a while ago, I feel sick. Like the food no one swallow. This is not a good end to this trip, guys, at all. I was looking so forward for this video and then I drink one liter of water after I realized the headache, but you know go away. What am I catch now?
Ah, see there? The liquor right there.
Oh,
I'm making the talking on it, man.
well talented.
Crystal. The one in Kalaloo.
Kalaloo, oh. Pepper, you know.
Yes, pork.
Thank you. Enjoy. Let's see your reaction to the food.
Yeah.
You chef.
We cook the curry chicken. Me and
Taste the
Andrew.
curry.
And my sister Andrew cooked them. Thank you.
I want to play.
That's no bone. Oh gosh.
Come, Chris.
Can put the bone and take some of the meat.
We're doing more bone.
Huh?
We're doing it more bone.
You put some meat in them, man. I like the bone them. What that mean? Oh, okay.
One nice man.
Thank you.
Before what place? You're not Jamaican.
Come on.
Oh, so you don't know that.
Crystal.
No, sir, that one they new to me. That woman that's saying it.
Yo,
Kalaloo, man.
oh, why?
I'm not in the mood for the Kalaloo,
Okay. No problem then.
but we shirt already.
I'm gonna prepare
One spoon.
Sarah, alright, you convinced me. You convinced me.
Alright.
We'll try it, it's nice.
Okay.
You know this?
That's what I
You
eat.
try this mama beer? What's your name?
Crystal.
Alright now, guys. I want to get back to Jojo.
Yes, we can catch Jojo. You like the food? Still can cook. Pepper bun. Yeah, they get the bean them too.
Eh?
You get the Kalaloo too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, zombie! Zombie!
Pepper and I meet the girl. No, sorry, Kalaloo. Me
I
taste pepper, you know.
Kalaloo. I Kalaloo are the wicked. Sarah wicked with the
Hakim.
Kalaloo. With the pepper.
How would do it?
Do what? And I mean make the Kalaloo.
Yeah.
So guys, check out my food. Can't eat the food, guys, when I feel so well. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is the wrong twist to the video. This was not expected. But at least he's enjoying my cooking.
Yeah.
Or lifesaver. Save mommy life. Ooh. I say it's salty. Look of salt.
What?
The meat.
Yeah.
Look, I'm not used to the seasoning. I will put seasoning we put in there.
Who, you? Are you seasoning it?
Uh-huh.
You must taste it, man.
You can't taste the raw seasoning. I see people do that, you know what, I'm not doing it.